Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing and taking one quick backup of theme settings and the registry so you can undo changes. First, enable your dark or light base and set display scaling to 90-110% for crisp icons. This matters because misscaled UI breaks the aesthetic. Once done, install Power Toys and a trusted theme manager to control accent colors and window styles. These tools let you swap presets quickly and prevent manual, error-prone edits. Now you refine the interface. Change the accent palette to 2 or 3 complementary colors so elements read consistently across apps. Then replace system icons, adjust rounded corner radius in your theme manager, and tweak Explorer layout for spacing. These micro adjustments create a polished look. Once done, install a custom font family and export a clean start menu layout. A well-chosen wallpaper and matching icon set finish the visual identity and make the OS feel intentional. Finish with polish. Enable smooth animations, set transparency levels, and unify visual effects so transitions feel natural rather than jarring. Once done, create a system restore point and save a rollback pack containing originals of modified files. This protects you against update conflicts. If something breaks after an update, boot into safe mode, uninstall the last theme or shell extension, and restore your backup. This simple rollback solves most problems without reinstalling Windows or losing personal data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.